Assess, monitor, and action against adoption trends across your organization using Adoption Dashboard. This tutorial shows how to view and manipulate the data in Adoption Dashboard. To begin, from Insights portal, click Adoption Dashboard. Adoption Dashboard provides interactive data visualizations for login trends, course access counts, tool usage trends, tool usage comparisons, and enrollment and withdrawal trends. Note, you can only view course-level data for courses you are enrolled in. To focus on a specific date range for login trends, click and drag the visualization to see data specific to that date range. To return to the data overview, click back. Hover over a specific date. To view a total login summary, click Sort. To cycle through the available date range sorting options. Next, navigate to Tool Usage Trends. Tool usage trends show how frequently tools are being used over the last 12 months in weekly summaries. To filter tools out of the visualization, select the tool from the legend. For this example, filter out Checklist. Click on a single tool in the visualization to view more details about its use. Note, visualizations drill into data based on organizational structure, up to 6 levels deep until course offering. For this example, click Content. Click on a single role in the visualization to view more details. For this example, click Student to view usage by organizational units. Tool Usage Comparison allows you to see which tools are used across each of your organizational units. The tools can be filtered out by selecting them from the legend. To review which course templates within an organizational unit are using each tool, select it. For this example, within the Business Organizational Unit, click Quizzes. To further drill into the data, click the Course Template visualization. Assess, monitor, and action against adoption trends across your organization using Adoption Dashboard.